Hi, I'm in Baku today, Azerbaijan, and I'm ready to explore the city. That's my hotel up there. I'm headed to the Chari Shahar metro station to meet up with the walking tour of Baku. And this is the city center that I'm on. Between Baku, Yerevan, and Tbilisi, Baku is the most modern and cleanest city of the three. Although when it comes to history, culture, literature, performing arts, ballet, theatre, Tbilisi has the other two beat hands down. I'm at the meeting point of my walking tour. Time to find the guide. I see him there. Bonjour monsieur.
Good morning. How are you?
Ça va?
Fine, you?
Ça va bien. The old walled city of Baku.
Kazan and the statue. I have three reasons to stop in front of this statue. The first is about the date of statue. This is the last statue that erected during the Soviet time. It was erected in 1990, and in 1991, Soviet and actually, this guy also he thinks about the debate. And he thinks their center was also in Shama. Shama was the stage of the place, and in 15th century, the earthquake happened, and they forced to change.
Public baths, hammam in old city of Baku. Baku used to be a desert, and the city officials imposed a tax on those passing through Baku on their way on the old Silk Road to bring in fertile soil and plants, and as a result, centuries later today, it is lush green. The kissing fountain of Baku, where couples come to kiss. Later that evening, I took a cab to go see Teshka. Teshka is a fire temple, half an hour's drive from Baku. I paid the cab driver about 15 or 20 US dollars for the ride back and forth to Baku. Teshka has like Sanskrit and Punjabi scriptures on the walls, and during the 15th century Hindus and Sikhs traveled by foot to Azerbaijan. There is underground gas that lights that fire. I think now it's been replaced, but back in the day. And then from there, back in Baku, I walked the old city of Baku, and later that evening, I decided to go see the flame towers at night. It's quite a show. And back at the Fountain Square near my hotel in the old city of Baku. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed my video.